David organised a Zed meet there some time ago. Unfortunately, COVID and everything stopped us doing it, so it's now been reorganised, and it's tonight. Unfortunately, this is conflicting with the England game, which is tonight again, and just round the corner from Ace Caff. So we're hoping that there's not going to be any trouble. I'm sure there won't. I'm sure everybody will behave themselves. Well, actually, I'm on my way over to see my friend Matt, because he doesn't live very far from there. So I'm going to go see him, and then we'll head over to the Ace Caff. But on our trip, I am going to be going through the Hindhead Tunnel, which is just coming up. So enjoy the noise, people. House, and we're about to go down to the Ace Caff. I'm lucky enough to have a guide, otherwise I would not have a clue where I'm going. So luckily for me, Matt knows, because he lives around this way, and he's going to be my guide. So I will face you forward and you'll be able to see. Off we go. Okay, so we've had a nice little drive, all the back roads coming over to Ace Caff. Now I don't know where I am, but I'm guessing we're getting close, because all I can see is England supporters, and what I'm guessing heading towards the Wembley Stadium. I've seen quite a lot of police out, and there are absolutely hundreds and hundreds of people. Have they all come for the Ace meet? For the Zed meet? I've got a feeling they're not here for the Zed meet. I think they could be here for the football. Okay, so we made it to the Ace Caff in London, and yeah, I'm on the ramp, and look, another one we might recognise, and hopefully the rest of them will be here very, very shortly. But it's very cool, look at that. There we go, look, there's Ant. Ant's here. There's two come here, mate. I can hear another one. Oh, there's Dan. So yeah, they beat you here, mate, I'm afraid. Fine, trust me.
Yeah, a few of them coming here.
Yeah, there's a few. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more.
Wow.
I'm guessing we're with you. You'll be fine, mate. It'll turn you around.
Dan.
You'll be here in a minute, mate. We'll see you in a second, yeah?
Wow.
So he's not very impressed.
Sorry, mate. I won't interrupt you.
That's alright. No, don't worry about it. It's all good. Spend hours editing as it is, it doesn't matter.
Cut it out. How you doing, mate? It's been a while.
Yeah. Not too bad, mate. Not too bad.
It's like, oh, should I come to stage? I can't not come and see this guy. It's been too long.
It has.
Talk to me for the last thing.
Yeah? That's a long time ago, mate. Hell of a long time ago. I wonder if Ant's on his way. He's from down by me, but I came up early, so...
Sorry.
We don't know who he is.
No,
we don't know.
Come in.
No.
He's the organiser. Wrong car. It's a body kit. It's really a 350.
Put him next to ours.
Okay, so this is the Zed meet that David organised. As you can see, David's over there. He doesn't have his Zed anymore, unfortunately. But we still have a few here. Considering the football's on, it's pretty good going.
Everyone for actually making it turn up tonight. I know obviously the circumstances are very difficult. I've asked Ashley here to choose two cars for the night. So if you'd like to take over.
The first one, the red one there,
That'd be me.
is you.
Yeah.
So that's for you then.
Oh, thank you very much.
And this Nismo one here. Who's that one? Yeah.
Oh, look.
You get a little tea bag.
Woo! Woo! Thank you very much.
Thanks again for coming.
Thanks for organising it, mate.
If we can get a picture of you in front of your car for our social media.
Yeah.
And one of you as well.